Hey friends, once your business website is live and up and it is running, the next important step and the next important tool that you need for your website and even for your business is a superb analytics tool. And if we are talking about the analytics tools, Google Analytics comes always first. Undoubtedly, Google Analytics is the number one analytics tool that counts the data, that analyze the data across the platform. This is the beauty of Google Analytics that I understand, and Google Analytics give you the tools free of charge to understand the customer journey, and it also improve your marketing ROI. So undoubtedly Google Analytics being the first choice. But what if due to some reason, due to any reason, you are looking for an alternative for Google Analytics that you can use especially at your WordPress website? We are going to discuss what can be the best solution to use as an alternative to Google Analytics. However, Google Analytics is recommended from my side and it is being used throughout the world undoubtedly, and majorly it is being used on all the sites. Google Analytics allows us to look at our data across platforms. This is the main concern, like across platforms we can say the web and the app, to understand the full journey of our users. So this is the main thing. So you can definitely check all the details what Google Analytics is offering on the Google Analytics marketing platform page by the Google itself. But in this video we are much concerned about discussing the alternative of Google Analytics and what can be the best alternative for the Google Analytics for WordPress website. So the best alternative that we can choose is Matomo, and what Matomo means honesty in Japanese language, and it is considered to be Google Analytics best alternative. I can say best, however there are many, and I have already shown some good alternatives, some good analytics tools on this channel itself, and I believe you are watching the videos coming on this channel regularly and you are already a subscriber. If not, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you may regularly get videos coming on this channel to improve your WordPress website, to make wonderful website and to make successful WordPress website. Yes, so the Matomo is here that we are going to discuss as a solution for analytics tools for WordPress website in this video, and it is a privacy first analytics tools that you can use for your website, and you can take back control with Matomo, a powerful web analytics platform that gives you 100% data ownership. So what can be the major difference that you can understand in general terms between the Google Analytics and the Matomo? The one major difference that I wish to discuss here, and that I know I'm sure I'm correct. So the Google Analytics works on data sample. I mean the sampling of data is being used for the analytics of the complete traffic, and the results are presented accordingly. But if we are using the Matomo or the similar solution, the whole data is being analyzed, and it is definitely, if the whole data is being analyzed by the system, through the system, for the system, it is going to give you more accurate data and more accurate information. So I'm not saying Google Analytics is not giving you the more accurate or most accurate, but this is the main concern that I consider. But yes, there might be several reasons to find an alternative for this analytics, and Matomo can be a very good solution. So you can check the official website as well. But yes, Matomo is a powerful tool that understands your visitors' individual behavior, manage all your tracking in one place, and optimize your user experience, discover what your visitors are searching for. And you can use this solution, try this solution for free. However, the pro plans will offer you more feasibility on the data. But if you are using on-premise, means you are installing and managing Matomo at your own servers, it is going to be completely free for you. And if you are looking for a cloud-based solution, there are charges. So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed. Even if you are not using a WordPress website, you can go with Matomo. But since we are much concerned about the WordPress website on this channel, so we are going to discuss the plugin through which we can use the Matomo data analytics tool at our WordPress website. So this is being the wonderful website that we created in the last video. This is using the Voxel. Yes, Voxel is a very advanced WordPress theme that can give you a customized and dynamic website. So you can watch this specific video, don't miss that as well. But yes, let us find the plugin through which we can use the Matomo. So the Matomo, this is the correct spelling, I think. Yes, Matomo Analytics. This is ethical estates, powerful insights, a privacy friendly, GDPR compliant and self-hosted. Matomo is the #1 Google Analytics alternative that gives you control over data, free and secure. So this is the message from the developer, and it is already being used 90,000 plus website by the 90,000 plus website active installation, and we are going to install here. So there might be certain add-ons like simple Matomo tracking code and the compliance and whatever. There might be several regions, connect Matomo, WP Matomo, WPP week and all, but you have to choose this one. This is coming from officially Matomo website. So this is the official website that you can check, where you can check all the details. But yes, I'm willing to install this plugin, and I'm willing to show you what are the screens, what are the options. So I'm installing it now, and let us see how it works and how easy it is to onboard on the Matomo system for analytics tools. Once installed, we can simply activate. As all other plugins, it works well, but yes, I need to show you. So don't install any plugin, this plugin or any other plugin, just for testing purposes, because the plugins generally, as I discussed in the earlier videos as well, any plugins creates additional data tables in your database, and when you are removing or disabling or deactivating that particular plugin, it may be some data traces, some table traces remains undeleted at your database, that ultimately makes your ultimately makes your database heavy, and it may be a security concern for your WordPress website as well. So don't just install any plugin for testing. Watch videos on this channel, see how you can use, and then decide whether it is really going to work for you. So we are here and we have activated the Matomo, and to start getting relevant reports and insights, complete these steps. So update your privacy page. Okay, so by that is fine. And the enable tracking, so enable tracking use. So okay, so give your users the chance to opt out tracking after adding the source code Matomo opt out by adding Matomo opt out block in privacy page. Okay, that we can do. But yes, we can enable tracking, and the hide this page option is here, so we are fine here. So the newsletter that we can subscribe, yes, it is totally your choice. And the user guides are here, Matomo for WordPress FAQs, the general FAQs, forums, glossy, and the support plans and all. So about Matomo and all. So but yes, I'm taking you to the summary. So this is summary, and this is simply a demo instance, so it is not going to show you the data, but yes, I can show you the screens what is available with Matomo installation. So it is showing the visitors time for yesterday, today, last week, this month, or last year, this year, whatever, and every report can be seen here. So come the traffic coming from the social networks, the outlinks, the exit page titles and all. So all data can be easily tracked here, and it is a very informative dashboard page, you can say. When we are talking about the reporting, we don't need to create any account here. So this is a reporting page that we can use directly from our WordPress interfaces. This is at our website itself, so we can go to the WordPress admin. But yes, dashboard is separate for Matomo, and this is the most advanced that I consider. This is the main thing that we can use for our WordPress website with the Matomo. So this is like the Google Analytics landing page, the dashboard, and you can analyze all the data and the traffic here for your website. Like this is the dashboard, and the dashboard is showing the most of the things, the movers and the shakers, the visitor maps, and the channel types, and the become a Matomo expert. Okay, and the visitors can be seen precisely and in the detailed way here. So the visitors overview can be seen. So as I said, this is just a demo instance, so it is not showing any data, but yes, at your live website, at your running website, it will definitely work without any additional configuration, don't worry. So visitor log can be seen here, real time map, the locations, the devices, so software, the time, user IDs. And if we are talking about the behavior of visitors, it can be more precise, like the pages, the entry pages, exit pages, page titles, site search, outlinks, downloads, events, contents, engagements, transitions, performance. And when we are talking about the acquisitions of visitors, so acquisition overview can be seen, the channel type, and the all channels from where the data is coming, search engines and keywords, websites, social networks, campaigns, campaign URL builder, and the e-commerce. And the e-commerce overview can be seen here, like the overview, e-commerce log, products, sales. And if you are setting up goals for campaigns, so you can see the campaign objectives, the overview, and all the details of campaign goals here on this screen. So this is very interactive and easy to use dashboard that is coming from Matomo. We can come back to the dashboard of WordPress by clicking. Okay, great. So Matomo Analytics is here, and further we have some tag manager, like we can use for generate new container, for like we are generating tag managers in Google Analytics. The same option is here as well. Further, if we are talking about the rest of the options that we can have with the Matomo, the setting is here. So the auto mode, tracking mode is recommended. You have manual option, the tag manager, and the disabled mode is also here. You can set the access, like who can check the data that is coming from the Matomo here, and the privacy and the GDPR, the exclusion, geolocation, advanced, and Matomo admin part is also here. So we have already seen the Matomo here. Okay, great. So come back and all right, the marketplace is another thing where we can access the marketing campaigns, reporting, the custom alerts, and discover new functionality for your Matomo that you can see here, and the diagnosis, just in case if you are facing any trouble in using the data and the configuration and all such things. So the diagnosis tool is here, and you can copy the system report, and you have troubleshoot options as well, like archive reports, clear Matomo, cache, install, update, go IP, database, sync users, and all. So you have all the great options with the Matomo Analytics, and I feel this can be a wonderful solution for your WordPress website in terms of analysis and the reporting of visitors at your WordPress website. And I am looking for the Matomo here, but it is not. But yes, the dashboard and the reporting screen is really very comprehensive. Okay, great. So I feel this video remained helpful in understanding how we can use, what are the options available with the Matomo and what can be the very good alternative of Google Analytics. So you have to take your own decision, but yes, this is a very good option for analyzing the analytics and the understanding the data pattern coming at your website. So in the next video I'm coming with more solutions. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you.